You do not need to stock multiple brands of plumbing parts for most jobs, but you should keep a small backup stash of one or two alternate brands for the parts that fail most often, like fittings, washers, and valves. Here's the thing most homeowners never think about. Plumbing brands are not always compatible with each other, even when the parts look almost identical. Threads can be slightly different sizes, valve seats can be shaped differently, and even the rubber used in washers can wear out faster with certain brands. Plumbers know this, which is why a lot of them carry a few different brands in their truck instead of just one. If you only own one brand and that company changes a design or discontinues a part, you could be stuck without a matching piece during an emergency. A smart move is to keep a small emergency kit with two trusted brands, especially for the fittings and shut-off valves you use the most, so you are never caught off guard during a leak. One common mistake is assuming all plumbing parts are universal, when in reality, mixing brands without checking compatibility can cause leaks or crack seals. Always test fit before finalizing a repair. Another misconception is thinking cheaper generic brands save you money, but they often wear out faster and cost more in repeat repairs. Spend a little more on parts that touch water constantly, like valves and supply lines. A lot of people also forget to label their spare parts by brand and size, which leads to confusion later. Keep a small labeled bin so you always know exactly what you have on hand. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.